Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Really out by the ocean, and all of those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
Alright, I can't remember where we left off in the sawmill here. I'll just show you what I've done so far. So this bit here is coming out. Just have to cut that out. And then you can get over 9 inches depth. And width is just over 3 foot. So I'll be able to cut nice wide logs and thick logs if I have to. So I'll start it up here for you. This isn't the right motor for it. I'm going to change the motor. I'll show you the new motor in a wee second. Obviously there's blade guides and stuff to go on it here. I'll just show you what I come up with. So this is just a bit of threaded bar. You know the bars you buy them, they're roughly about this length, about 1 meter long. 2 sets of ball bearings here, and then a washer here for the blade to sit on, and then a ball bearing behind it for the washer to run on. It's a wee bit tight there, but it does spin easy enough when you loosen these off a wee bit. So I'm thinking about putting these in here, one there and one there. And obviously it'll sit only the other way around, it'll sit like this, only it'll have them 2 there for the blade to run on. So I'm going to put one there and one there, and then eventually I'll put one that can adjust as well, in and out. But I'll leave it like that for an hour to make sure everything's working alright. I'll just show you the motor here. So that's the motor that's on it at the minute. That's just a wee motor I was using to test it. It's half a horse. It's only 1/2 of a horsepower. I want to change this. I want to mill this out here to put in for a V belt pulley instead of this wee small belt, because it'll never last. Bought this here. This is a 5.5 horsepower single phase motor. This is the biggest motor you can get that isn't 3 phase. So it's right and heavy, so it is. I'd like a bigger motor in it, but I think this, for all I'm going to be cutting, you know, I'm not going to be using it all the time. It's only going to be used to cut big slabs, roughly this size, for tabletops and stuff. I think this here will do it alright. Well, fingers crossed it'll do it alright. Alright, so this is what I came up with for the winch, for it to go up and down. I just built these brackets here for it. Just to fit around this 3" by 1.5" metal. Alright, that's going to do it for this one. If you've made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. That's going to do it for this part 2. Part 3 is going to be installing this 5.5 horsepower motor. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.